Best bras comparison. For nursing mothers, a reliable pumping bra is a game changer, offering convenience, comfort, and efficiency during an often time-consuming process. With a wide range of options available, selecting the right pumping bra can be overwhelming. List number: hands-free pumping bra. Comfortable. The hands-free pumping bra by Simple Wishes is a versatile and well-designed option for nursing mothers. It features an adjustable fit that accommodates changes in body size during postpartum recovery. The bra is crafted from soft, durable materials and is compatible with most major breast pump brands. Its customizable design allows it to convert from a nursing bra to a pumping bra, making it a practical choice for multitasking moms. During testing, this bra impressed with its secure fit and ease of use. The adjustable straps and Velcro back panel provided excellent support without compromising comfort. However, the lack of padding may result in less discretion under clothing. It's an excellent mid-range option for mothers seeking flexibility and reliability. List 2. The Supermom Pumping and Nursing Bra by Simple Wishes is a dual-purpose bra that combines pumping and nursing functionality in one. It features a sleek design with a secure clasp system, allowing for hands-free pumping on one side while nursing on the other. The bra is crafted from a blend of spandex and cotton, ensuring a stretchy yet supportive fit. This bra excelled in versatility, particularly for mothers who alternate between nursing and pumping. Its secure clasp system ensures no accidental slips during use. However, some users noted that the sizing runs small, requiring careful measurement before purchase. Overall, it's a strong contender for mothers seeking an all-in-one solution. List number: Legendary Milk Pumping Spray 4 ounce. While not a bra, the Legendary Milk Pumping Spray is a valuable accessory for nursing mothers. This organic lubricant reduces discomfort during pumping by creating a smooth seal between the breast and pump flange. Made with food-grade ingredients, it's safe for both mother and baby, and its lightweight, non-greasy formula is easy to clean off. The pumping spray proved effective in reducing nipple soreness and facilitating milk letdown during testing. It's particularly beneficial for mothers experiencing clogged ducts or discomfort from prolonged pumping sessions. However, as it's not a wearable product, it may not be essential for all users. It's best suited as a complementary product to enhance the pumping experience. List 4. forh Pumping Bra Hands-Free Nursing Pumping a Bra. The forh Pumping Bra is a premium option designed specifically for mothers with larger busts. It features wireless padded cups and a wide band for added support, ensuring a comfortable fit throughout the day. Its all-in-one design accommodates both nursing and pumping, making it a versatile choice for busy moms. This bra stood out for its exceptional support and comfort, particularly for mothers with larger busts. The wireless design eliminates pressure points, while the padded cups enhance discretion. However, its higher price point may be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. It's ideal for mothers prioritizing comfort and support over cost. List number 5. Hands-Free Pumping Bra. Hands-Free Breast Pump Bra Nursing. The N-Store Hands-Free Pumping Bra is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on essential features. Made from a cotton spandex blend, it offers a soft and breathable fit. Its dual-function clasp allows for hands-free pumping on one side while nursing on the other, making it a practical choice for multitasking moms. While its affordability is a major draw, the N-Store bra also delivers on comfort and functionality. The wide shoulder straps and wire-free design provide adequate support, though the lack of padding may be a drawback for some users. It's an excellent choice for mothers seeking a cost-effective, functional pumping bra.